So I got a secret weapon here I wanted to show you guys that I'm gonna have you install. It's a very complicated installation process. Are you ready for this?
Yeah.
Mind you all, Wonder Spirits. We are here at Casper's Corner with Mason. What's up, bro?
What's up, man?
How you been? Long time no see.
Yeah, I know, you haven't been here.
Yeah, I'm coming back. Well, racing season's back, so we're gonna get her ready to go. Yeah, so, man, what do you think about the color?
I love it. I like it.
Nice,
I'm
man.
a purple guy and a blue guy. My favorite color is blue.
Okay, cool.
So, you get it in that certain light, though, it looks good.
It's gonna look good going down the drag strip, I think.
Oh, yeah.
You know, when she's ripping. So, I got a secret weapon here I wanted to show you guys that I'm gonna have you install. It's a very complicated installation process. Are you ready for this?
Yeah.
I only trust Mason doing this, by the way. That's right. We got a C85. That's that good E85. That nice sauce. I have her. See how I take care of my kids.
He's got it buckled in like it's going somewhere.
Look at my man over here. What's up, baby? How you doing?
What's up, man?
Good to see you, bro. So I said, listen, I need to put this in because this gas, just to give you guys an idea, this barrel was 70 bucks just for this, and then the same amount from pump 85 was like 15 bucks. Yeah. So it's going to give
85.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
We're not going to lose any timing, and so if we do run 10s, this is the secret weapon that Mason installed. You know, so we'll take that.
Running 10s.
Yeah, we have to. Or I gotta quit.
I mean, it is kind of cold out right now. So.
It is. The DA should be good.
Yeah, it's cold, man.
Yeah, the car. I mean, you know, we didn't run it with the new spark plugs. We didn't run it with the.
Yeah, it was the end of the season.
I didn't really. I never ran it on this full potential. So
right
now we'll see what it does, and we'll go there. I'll clean it up for Saturday, and I've got that big Mickey on there. She looks crazy, bro.
This is with all the new tires and everything. You didn't even run it with it.
No. This is. We never got a chance to run her at her full potential last year, so now it's.
Yeah, I think we were supposed to go, then the track.
We tried, and it just kept snowing.
Yep.
And I just never got back to it. So, you know.
I mean, it's cold now, but hopefully it's warmer.
No, it's going to be in the mid 40s.
Yeah.
So we should have that perfect weather. So that should be it. And that's all she wrote. Yeah.
I'll pull her in here, buddy.
Okay, cool.
We'll go over it, make sure everything's good.
Yeah.
So
He's gonna do a quick little checklist, make sure everything looks good. I mean, of course, I'll take out the front seat later this week.
Yeah.
And that's about it. Everything else is taken out, ready for the strip. Tune is loaded.
I'm hoping we're going 10s.
Yeah.
Even a high 10 for now is fine.
Yeah, I'll take it.
Like
Yeah. I like it. It's E85, it's cold. All these lowered cars. I think we'll make it.
comfortable underneath.
Yeah, right. The first time she's back at Casper's with the new look. We're doing one last look over. Mason's gonna make sure everything looks good to go. One last checkup. The final checkup before we go back.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, make sure everything looks great.
Make sure we don't lose no bolts.
Yeah, make sure everything's tight and right. And this is what's great about guys Casper's, is because they really take it, they don't just fix your car and that's it. They have a relationship with you and the car, and they care about it. So definitely, you got a Mustang, any performance car, check out the link below.
You name it, we'll do it.
Yep.
That's it. Man.
Yep.
Yes, sir.
Nothing but good reviews by people who come and like had work here. They've said, yo, I love that place. So
we've had a lot of people come in saying, hey, I seen StangMode's videos, so I figured I'd come in, and they've been coming back.
Oh, awesome,
phone calls, people from Ohio, all kinds of people want to come over here.
Sweet.
Now, so.
Great.
Definitely want to check the no leaks, right?
Yeah, it looks good. So
we get a flashlight.
I'm gonna grab that gas. I think I left it outside.
Okay.
Just grab that. They're like, you know what?
Open up the corn.
There you go.
Open
I like that smell. Smell-o-vision. Oh, this is your fault, Mason and Todd, because you put that purple light in there.
That's it.
That was all. That's you guys started this off.
I picked a good. Hey,
that
mean, everybody on the comments.
No, everyone loves
it.
Yeah, yeah.
I mean, the first video, everybody said it was ricey, but now look at what it turned into.
Yeah, that, you know, it's
I
all
put
because
a light in the grill, and now the whole car's purple.
it's all because of the Mason Mamba mechanic right here.
You said that your favorite color is purple.
Yeah, that's right.
Wait.
Exactly.
We didn't know that. We didn't know that before we did it.
Yeah.
What? That is the same color as purple. No.
Because yeah, I had the interior lighting set up. Yeah.
Because yeah, you told me you wanted a purple shirt. You know what? We'll go over like it.
Yeah. All right, guys. So as you can see, I'm rocking my new Casper's corner hat right here. They made it custom for me. It's purple, but these are also available when you guys come in here to get your work done. You can grab some and rep the Mamba master mechanics here at Casper's who hooked this car up. I really like this hat, and I really appreciate them hooking me up. Also, what you don't know, there are a lot of Mustang people who come here that don't know about the channel, but they just are hardcore racers, and they do great work here. And a lot of YouTubers that come here as well. Of course, you're probably watching this. We did a video with CJ's Red 18 from the Netherlands. He got his exhaust work done here, and just totally happy. But and then the TLC they're giving me, just do a once-over. Yes, I got the car drag ready myself, but they're doing a once-over, making sure everything's cool. So we're ready to kick those butts at Atco. Yeah?
It's different.
It is different.
You're not going to see anybody else with it.
Nope, that was the whole point.
Yep.
You know? I wanted to be different. It gets the girls, though.
Yeah.
A lot of the girls like this. So, you know, that's the main reason we do everything, right? Corn on the cob right here, baby.
Bunch of ponies, boy.
Mm-hmm.
Pure ponies.
Yeah.
None of that pump 85 that says it's 85, but really it's 70.
Oh, I can smell that. Ah, yeah. All right. Liquid tents. I wanted to say again what you checked over. Everything looked tight and right.
Everything's good. Check the diff. Since I had the diff out in all parts. No leaks in the diff. Diff still looks good. All the bolts are all tight. Everything looks good. Nothing looks out of place. Exhaust still sitting up nice and pretty like you didn't hit nothing.
Perfect.
Dry shaft still looks good. I have all pen marks on them, well, paint marks on them. Make sure no bolts come loose or nothing like that. We're all still right where I marked them at.
All right, we'll
So,
see you Saturday, bro.
Other than that, everything else looks good, man.
Thank you so much. I
Hopefully we're
appreciate it.
entertained.
All right.
Weather depicting. If it's cold, I mean, we gotta play with tire pressure. Get it
Yeah,
home.
exactly.
But
Yeah.
Other than that, I think we're good, man.
She's good to go. And it's snowing.
Welcome to our Jersey weather.
Yeah. Welcome to the Jersey weather. All right, guys. So we are done here. Thanks again to Mason and Casper's Corner for getting her ready. She now has secret sauce in there. So super. Hey man, thanks brother.
You got it, man.
Appreciate it.
Good luck, and I'll see you down there.
We'll see ya. Oh baby, I gotta beat this snow now.
Yeah, right.
All right, brother.
Same, man.
Appreciate it.
Yep.
I'm taking that.
Yep.
All right, thank you. All right.
Gosh, it's got different pitch.
Yeah, trust me. I know. I look at them every day. I'm like, ew.
See if you can get them together. We'll do it.
Yeah. All right. I appreciate it. All right, guys. We'll see you Saturday. Man.